Hey vlog, it's me. We're crossing the street. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It is September 26th. Bro, I was 6 days off. It is September 20th, 6:05 a.m. Look at the beautiful campus. The beautiful campus. I honestly have no plan for this vlog. Whatever happens today happens. I am going to Utah tonight. Because the library's not open, I'm gonna be studying in like the Starbucks area. I am actually just getting over having pneumonia. So I just missed classes for 2 days straight, which, like, let's be so for real, that's probably why I'm like so motivated today to like actually do work. I got my cough drops. According to my doctor, I'm not contagious as of last night, as long as I've been taking my antibiotics, which I have been. The last vlog that I posted was my first day of college vlog. I was like in the mindset of, oh, I'm gonna use notebooks to take notes. I'm gonna use binders to store my stuff. Dudes, I got an iPad and life has never been the freaking same. Tips from a freshman, okay? I do everything on here, everything. Please choose a loud ass voice. There's not really any clear like direction for today besides I'm going on a plane to go to Utah tonight because it is my aunt's wedding this weekend and I'm filming it. The main reason that I have to like do all my work now is because I have homework due on Sunday night, Monday morning that I'm not gonna have the chance to do over the weekend. So I'm gonna try to get all these things done, or a majority of these things done. Some of them are like really stupid. Decorate water bottle, like that's not necessary. So the first 4 are things like I actually need to do. So we're gonna focus on those. These are actually really good. I have my Dayquil, I have my face mask, I have my cough medicine. We drugged up today. That's a joke. Guys, that's a joke. I swear I'm not drugged up in a legal way.
It's like
You do the gang signs at my viewers. Estamos en la clase de español y aquí es mi desayuno. Es un torta o sándwich, mi café y mi profesora. That means it's 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. You guys see this beauty? Be so for real, you know that looks so delicious. Spanish class is so fun. I like looking at night and then I look to the side and Abraham Lincoln. Yes, Lincoln statue. Hey chat, where is my phone? It is 9:58. This is my last class of the day, so I'm super excited to go back to my dorm and start to pack everything. This is the class. Guess who's the business major? That's a trick question. All of them are business majors. But today we have a quiz. We have a quiz. Hey y'all, I look like a mess right now because I feel like a mess inside, and so it like projects itself. I felt like really trashy like after comm for like reasons that I don't want to stay on camera. It is too early in my college career to be starting beef, okay? I'm currently packing. As you can see, I have my drone, one of my cameras, other camera. We're really going all out. I am filming my aunt's wedding, so I need to make sure I have all my equipment first of all. It is currently 12:46. My flight takes off at 3:30, I believe. I need to literally get everything together in like 14 minutes. Go to John Wayne Airport. I'll be chillaxing there for like an hour and a half. Better safe than sorry. Here's my packing list from earlier. I'm just kind of going over it again and like checking things off the list. I have almost everything, but the last few things I kind of wanted to go over with you guys. I wanted to show you how I splurged on my makeup. It's actually been sitting here for like a week because I've been like waiting to vlog to show you, to do the unboxing with you guys. So that's how much I love you guys. This is her. This is she. She is the Moment. Sun Club Matte Bronzer. It works well, but I wish it had more pigment, to be honest. This one, I love this blush. The pigment is nice. I thought the packaging was cute. That's the reason I got it. e.l.f. Beauty Blender. While we're going through them, I'm gonna pack the ones I need because that's the whole purpose of doing this. e.l.f. Primer. Unboxing. I actually got this one from my school's gift shop. Oh, that was easy. Eyeshadow. I got the ColourPop palette in Toasty. I've been using the same $3 e.l.f. eyeliner since sophomore year once again. The tip was literally breaking, so time to get a new one, and it's an upgrade. This one was like $7, so either it's inflation or it's an actual upgrade. Probably a mix of both. She looks spicy. Whatever this thing is, a white pen. But my other one was like breaking apart, and I was scared that it was actually gonna pull out my eyelashes, so I bought a new one even though it was like $10. And then we finish it all off with this NYX Bear With Me setting spray. I've never used setting spray, nor have I ever used primer before. I'm betting that like these are gonna make a huge difference. I'm really hoping they will, so like I said, stay tuned for the makeup routine. Here's the final makeup lineup. She's so sexy. Let's pack her. I like how I record these 21 minute videos. Like I know half the stuff I'm saying is gonna be cut out, but it's fun to talk, you know? I'm gonna bring this liquid IV, so I bet I'm dehydrated with all the freaking pneumonia I just got past. Go ahead and invest in it. Scared the crap out of me. On the type, on the vibe, stay the night. Every night. I don't want to get copyrighted, so we're gonna stop it right there. Great song. Now it's time to actually like finish what I started and like finish getting ready. I'm not good at focusing on one thing, especially when, I don't know if you can tell, I'm kind of like going through like backflips in my brain right now. Next task of the day. We're gonna put stickers on my water bottle. We can put like Chapman right there, this one right there. Respectfully, I don't want Pink the Panther on my water bottle. Oh yeah, she's sexy. Okay guys, currently 1:31. I'm getting an Uber. Everything is packed, as you can see. My backpack is on my back. Let's go guys, off to Utah. Extreme pumpkin ice blended drink, please. Cook raccoon eyes because I took a little nap. We're finding my sister because she came to pick me up. My sister moved to Utah, by the way, guys. Crazy. I never in my life would have thought my sister would have moved to Utah. Crazy things happen. Look at how gorgeous it is. This is where Bestie is. Over there, I see her black car.